Today I'm taking a look at this APUS instant hot water heater runs on propane. I got it all ducted in. I got it out through some metal, and as far as the vent pipe going out through, all pretty well set up. And then down here on the bottom, I have my lines going in, my water over here. I got the propane going in. I'm using all brass for this. You can use black iron too, and then because for your water you can use PEX. I'm starting off with brass piping PEX once we tie into the rest of the system of the house. So I got it all hooked up here, ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, and we'll go from there. Then we'll test the water upstairs and see how it feels. To power it on, it's very easy. You just got a power button here, and you can push and hold to power it back off. Actually, I've already had this running, so it's up to temperature. But you can adjust it to whatever temperature you want just by using these up and down keys, and it seems to move in 5-degree increments. Or you can go down, and then it'll heat the water up to that temperature that you choose, and it is ready to go upstairs. Now this is not going to run unless you're calling for water, which makes this great, so you're not having a big tank of hot water sitting there that's cooling down and reheating, cooling down, reheating. So yeah, very happy with it so far. I'm going to go up and we'll test the hot water on it and see how it feels. I'm sure it's going to be fine. It's been working fine. But there you go. Very easy setup. Now, if you're not comfortable, this is not an education video on how to hook this up. Definitely do your research or hire a plumber or electrician, whatever you might need to hook this thing up properly. It is just plug and play, so that's really good about it as far as that. So you just plug it right in. But you do have some plumbing to do, and that involves propane and some water. So you want to make sure you test everything for leaks and have it all set up properly before you leave it unattended. And of course, have your vent. You want to be on metal. I got it on metal surface, which is out away from the wood, so you get some space behind there. So we are good to go. Just make sure you check all your codes before you hook this thing up and turn it on. But there you go. Very easy setup. Now, these guys were nice enough to send this out to me so I could do this review and get it set up and show you what it looks like up and on the wall. But we have used it a little bit, and it's worked great. So we might just switch over to mostly using this completely and not use the oil-fired hot water heater. So I want to thank these guys for sending this out to me. I really appreciate it. And hopefully this short video helps you out, and you can decide whether or not it's right for you. But definitely going to be a saver in money, because you're not heating a big tank of water and having it just sit there all day until you need it. So this is instant. When you turn the hot water on, this thing fires up and then heats the water for you. So there you go. Hope this short video helps you out. Let me go ahead and turn some water on upstairs and see how it feels. Upstairs here, we're going to turn this on and see how long it takes for the water to get hot here. It is a little ways away from the water heater, probably about, 25 or 30 feet. And it is now starting to get hot. So not very long at all. Yep, we're getting up there now. All right, well, there you go. Plenty warm hot water right there for sure. As you saw, it was not very difficult to get it set up. Just a few pipes, plug it in, and you are good to go. So hopefully this short video helps you out. And now if you click that order button, you know what you're going to get.